Day 33 of being a chef on a yacht. For breakfast, I made an acai bowl with protein powder and topped it with some fruit, oats, and some almond butter. This is one of my favorite breakfasts to make because I can keep it in the freezer until the guests are ready to eat. This job is all about being ready at a moment's notice. Sometimes the guests want to eat at 8 a.m. and other times they want to eat at 10 a.m. But this is the nice thing about working for one family for a long time. You kind of start to just read their mind and you get really good at reading the room. So today's a big cooking day because we have a large group of guests coming in around lunchtime. I'm making Caribbean mac and cheese, which is just like stupid good. And for a side, I'm making a broccoli salad, which has some cranberries, bacon, walnuts, cheese, sugar, salt, pepper, and mayonnaise and red wine vinegar. And just throw in some raw broccoli and it's killer. Baked off some white chocolate walnut cookies and then started dinner prep. So I cut up my veg and portioned out the grouper. Served up lunch, which was the Caribbean mac and cheese, conch salad, broccoli salad, Cuban sandwiches, and the cookies. For cocktail hour, I made some crab rangoons, fried those bad boys off, and served them with sweet and sour sauce. And for dinner, I'm making my specialty, which is Thai red curry. Started plating up the meal with a bed of jasmine rice, my curry, and then the seared grouper. The guests this week wanted a theme every night, so we dressed up in togas to make them laugh. I got my toga from my bed. It's like half of a twin bed. I'm surprised it even fit me. And for dessert, we had key lime pie. Bye, little chef.